welcome to this edition of Media Tech Minute. Today we're going to talk about what happens when a macro doesn't work. So over here, if you're familiar, we have our macros, such as the pre-service playlist. So in this example, if we click the pre-service playlist, nothing happens. You can even come check over on the soundboard and you see right here, the computer, there is no signal coming in. So the most common thing is that the device, if you will, is disconnected. So what we can do is you can take your cursor, click on ProPresenter. You're going to come settings, and then come over here and you're going to find devices if it's not already clicked. You're going to come up here where it says Rostock and you're going to click connect. And you can see that this is now green. We close this out. And to test it out, we're going to come over and try our pre-service playlist. We see some things happening. We hear the music, and we see the audio signal. And we can pause it right here. And we see that that works, and that will fix most of the problems. Now, if it's still not working, what you can do is you could come over to the browser over here and come to Chrome. Click on there. We're going to come to Companion, which is going to be the second tab up here that's always open. And you're going to make sure that ProPresenter and all these devices, with the exception of the Spotify ones that are disabled, all these ones that are enabled here are green. If they're not, then it takes a little bit of troubleshooting, usually checking the IP address. So for ProPresenter, you can see over here that there's an IP address. And to find it, because sometimes it just changes, you can come back over to ProPresenter, go up to ProPresenter, you're going to go to Settings and Network. And right here is the IP address. So if you just would type that in and make sure that the port is the same, we're going to come back over to Chrome. And then you would type it in here, scroll to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, and click Save. And then that would fix ProPresenter. Same with the soundboard. There's an IP address. And you can check that over here by talking to Sound Tech, or you could go to Setup. Using the arrow keys, you can go to Network, and there's the IP address there. And if that's the same, if not, then just change it. Okay, great. Let me know if you have any further questions or anything else you'd like to talk about. Bye.